falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, but got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna raise.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We are doing an after dark clean with me, or like an evening nighttime routine kind of cleaning video. And so if you're excited about this and you enjoy after dark clean with me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we are gonna hop right in and start off in my master bedroom. Let's get to it. So again, we are just starting here in my bedroom, going ahead and making our bed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle our end tables and just tidy them up a little bit. I don't always make my bed first thing in the morning, but it is something that I like to do every single day. I'm usually fairly good at doing it in the morning, but on this day, I didn't end up doing it until about 5 o'clock. So give yourself some grace, but if you have not made your bed, I want you to go ahead and tackle that with me right now.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance.
So I am just going ahead and cleaning off my table from supper. It was a mess, as you can see, and so I wanted to go ahead and just quickly do that. Make sure that you stay tuned till the very end of the video. I share some incredible before and afters.
Gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone.
All right, you guys, I wanted to go ahead and use some editing magic here, as our kitchen just isn't big enough to get a lot of different angles, and so that's why you'll notice me doing that often. So now I'm just going ahead and filling our dishwasher up before I go ahead and tackle the dishes. Let me know in the comments what you are doing while watching today's video, if you are up and cleaning with me, or if you are just here trying to get all of the cleaning and homemaking motivation.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah.
Alright, so now that the dishes are done, the kitchen's kind of just tidied up a little bit. I noticed the garbage can is nasty. Look at this. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to the bathroom in the tub and clean that, and then we're probably gonna tackle the bathroom while we're at it, and then mosey on back into the kitchen for a bit.
Something on your mind, I might try to help you let it go.
So I do usually like to clean my garbage once a week, but lately I just haven't been doing it. I just realized that. So it was pretty gross. I am going ahead and cleaning it with the Go Clean Co method, and then going ahead and cleaning the tub as well. Don't worry, I do change the bath water, but the Go Clean Co method is bleach, Tide powder, and hot water, and it works like a charm. Look at that before and after of the tub, where I just had to get some of the crayons off that my daughter had colored on it with, and now I'm just going ahead and tidying up the rest of the bathroom.
How I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
wanted to just pop on here and introduce myself for those of you that are new here. Welcome. My name is Brienne and I am a Canadian mom of 2 little girls. I am married, and on this channel I love creating lots of homemaking and cleaning motivation. You'll find tons of lifestyle content and sometimes the odd home DIY project, and right now they are all renter friendly as we are currently renting our home. And so if that is something that excites you, make sure that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And if you haven't already, I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and I would greatly appreciate it.
Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hand, the words go.
Alright, are you guys ready for an insane before and after shot? Look at my dining room table. The before was out of control and now it is so clean and I just freaking love it. There's nothing better than a clean house, I swear. It's just such a great stress reliever and I actually do enjoy cleaning. I sometimes clean when I'm upset, so it's actually really funny. But now I'm gonna go ahead and just get those dishes put away and our counter wiped before going ahead and doing some spot cleaning on the cupboards and stuff.
I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just
Alright, so next up we are gonna go ahead and tackle my kitchen floor. You can see here it was really dirty. Our floors get really dirty this time of the year just with it being spring and it rains a lot and everybody just tracks everything in. So I do find I'm vacuuming a lot more. I struggled really hard with my vacuum today and I have officially decided I'm getting a cordless vacuum. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, but I definitely need one. So stay tuned for that and which one I do decide to get, as I was so angry with my vacuum. It was just out of control. Like, look at me just fighting with the cord. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you have a stick vacuum or if you just use a regular vacuum. Now I'm going ahead and using my Velita mop. I was going to get on my hands and knees, but I was getting really tired, so I decided to just do a really quick mop using the bleach, Tide powder, and hot water mixture.
Treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger.
Alright, you guys, I am going to end this nighttime cleaning video right now. It's not quite 9 p.m., but for me that's really late as I get up really early. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this after dark clean with me. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already to join our growing YouTube family for weekly cleaning and homemaking motivational videos, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.